The best food scales for weight loss are those that offer precise measurements and easy-to-read displays, helping you track portion sizes accurately. Look for scales with features like tare functions to subtract container weight and digital readouts for quick results. Models with built-in nutritional databases can also provide calorie and nutrient information, aiding in better dietary choices. Reliable brands often offer durable designs and user-friendly interfaces. When selecting the best food scales for weight loss, prioritize features that enhance accuracy and convenience. Opt for scales with high precision and a clear digital display for easy reading. A tare function is essential for subtracting container weight, ensuring you measure only the food. Advanced models may include built-in nutritional databases to track calories and nutrients. Consider the scale's capacity and size based on your needs and choose one with easy-to-clean surfaces. If you want to buy a very precise scale, link is available in description. You can buy this high-precise scale.